Nakapunta na ba kayo sa IKEA Pasay? Yung malapit sa MOA? O kaya naman nagbabala kayong pumunta? Sige, today, isi-share ko sa inyo yung IKEA Pasay experience namin. Medyo intense ang adventure, pero worth it naman. So guys, heads up kung pupunta kayo dito sa IKEA Pasay. Grabe yung tao. Like, hindi ko in-expect na super dami pa rin until now. We went on a weekend kasi, so that's probably why. Nakita niyo yung pila? Ay, nako. Ang haba ng lane sa food court. Mga 30 minutes kami nakapila bago kami nakakuha ng food. Bukod pa dyan yung mahabang pila sa labas ng food court ha, it may take you another 30 minutes siguro. Kaya you need a lot of patience. In our case, buti na lang talaga may kasama kaming senior citizen. Kaya pwede na pabilis. But guys, let me tell you, worth it yung pagantay. Super sarap ng Swedish meatballs nila. Yung chicken wings din, must try. At syempre, di pwedeng hindi orderin yung classic nila na salmon. Pro tip nga pala, dapat alam nyo na need mag-bus ng sarili ninyong plates after eating. May designated area sila where you need to separate yung utensils, plates, and trash. Very eco-friendly, di ba? Overall, kahit medyo hassle yung crowds, I'd still recommend trying IKEA's restaurant. Just make sure lang na you go during off-peak hours kung ayaw nyo ng super haba na pila. Maybe weekdays or early morning during weekends. So yun lang. Comment down below kung na-try nyo na rin mag-dine sa IKEA Pasay at ano yung favorite nyo na food. I-share nyo na rin yung experience nyo. Bye!